Hi, I'm Troy. I wanted to make this quick video and share with you some of the incredible results that I've been getting in my online business in the last 5 months. When I first started, I made over 7,000 Australian dollars in the first 21 days. It's completely insane, isn't it? And the most incredible thing is this is 100% pure profit. I don't pay for any advertising, and I started as a complete beginner with 0 followers. Now, this sort of success hasn't always been like this. Life hasn't been always this easy. I failed at high school and had no higher education behind me and had to find a low-paying job with my father just to make ends meet. I lived paycheck to paycheck for 20 years, resigned to being a slave to the corporate world and working long hours until I was 70. I'm a shy and reserved person, so it was difficult for me to make my way up the corporate ladder and make any decent money. I couldn't possibly get up every day and keep doing this. I was exhausted and frustrated. Failure is not an option, and I realized that now is my time, and I'm dedicating my time and energy into building an online business. And in 5 short months, I have completely changed my life. Absolutely incredible. I'm now living life more on my own terms, spend more time with my family, and doing the things that I enjoy doing. It gives me the opportunity to travel and provide a better lifestyle for my family. In the past, I've searched and searched for a way out of my 9 to 5. Don't get me wrong, I love my team, but I needed more. And for me, this is my time. I searched online and tried e-commerce, blogging, YouTubing, Facebook, and Google Ads. I spent over $40,000 on different programs, courses, and mentors, and hardly made any money. I got so sick of failing, I almost gave up. I kept pushing forward and am so grateful I didn't give up and found my millionaire mentor. He guides me every step of the way. I use his tools and his simple strategies, and that's why I was able to make $5,000 recently in just over 14 days. I can't tell you how life-changing this has been for me. As an uneducated, busy father of 2, I would live paycheck to paycheck. I don't worry about money anymore. Now, if you click the link below, that will take you to a video by my mentor, Philip. He will show you exactly how you can have the same 1 to 5K days. Also, if you click on the button below, you'll be able to gain access for a limited time for my one-to-one mentorship. Can't wait to see you on the other side.